Hey guys, welcome to Sarvaruchi. This is Gautami. Today I will share homemade sambar powder. This is the most basic and important ingredient in every house, and it is an aromatic blend of few dals and whole spices. First we will see the ingredients. I have taken 3 varieties of dry red chilies. One is Badige dry red chilies. Second is spicy dry red chilies. Third is Guntur dry red chilies. Coriander seeds. These are cleaned well. Tur dal. Cumin seeds. Green moong dal. Chana dal. Dry turmeric sticks. These are cut into small pieces. Idli rice. Solid hing and it is slightly crushed. Mustard seeds. Fennel seeds. Peppercorns. Methi seeds. Urud dal and cleaned and dried curry leaves. Now we will see the process. Heat the pan, add 150 grams of idli rice. Fry it till light golden. Once it turns light golden, transfer to a bowl. In the same pan, add 150 grams of green moong dal. Again, fry it till light golden. Do it in the medium flame. Once it turns light golden, add into the same bowl. In the same pan, add 150 grams of chana dal. This also fry it till light golden. Do it in the medium flame. Once it turns light golden, add into the same bowl. Mix it once so that it will be cool. In the same pan, add 150 grams of tur dal. This also fry till light golden. Do it in the medium flame. Once it turns light golden, add into the same bowl. Mix it once in order to cool. In the same pan, add 100 grams of peppercorns. Fry it for 15 seconds. Don't fry more than 15 seconds. Now add into the same bowl. Mix it once in order to cool. In the same pan, add 250 grams of cumin seeds. Fry it till aromatic. Once it turns aromatic, add into the same bowl. Mix it once in order to cool. In the same pan, add 50 grams of methi seeds. Fry it till light golden. Do it in the medium flame. Once it turns light golden, add into the same bowl. Mix it once in order to cool. In the same pan, add 150 grams of fennel seeds. Fry it till aromatic. Do it in the medium flame. Once it turns aromatic, add it to the same bowl. Mix it once in order to cool. In the same pan, add 100 grams of mustard seeds. Fry it till it splutters. We can see it started spluttering. Add into the same bowl. Mix it once in order to cool. In the same pan, add 50 grams of urud dal. Fry it till light golden. Once it turns light golden, add into the same bowl. Mix it once in order to cool. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of solid hing. Fry it for few seconds. We can see it turns white in color. Transfer to the same bowl. Add directly 100 grams of dry turmeric sticks. No need of roasting it. In the same pan, add 1.5 kg of coriander seeds. I have done in batches. Fry till aromatic. I have done this 3 to 4 times for 1.5 kg of coriander seeds. Once it turns aromatic, transfer into the same bowl. Mix it once in order to cool. I have roasted all the coriander seeds, 1.5 kg of coriander seeds. In the same pan, add little oil. Add 1 kg of Guntur dry red chilies. Fry it for 5 seconds. I have done in batches for 3 to 4 times. And I have fried 1 kg of Guntur dry chilies and transferred into the same bowl. In the same pan, add little oil. Now add 1/4 kg of Badiga dry red chilies. Fry it for few seconds. There is no need of batches. At a time I have fried. Once it fried, add into the same bowl. In the same pan, add little oil. Add 1/4 kg of spicy dry red chilies. I have added at a time. Fry it for 5 seconds. There is no batches. Transfer into the same bowl. Now transfer all the ingredients on the sheet. Spread all the ingredients evenly. To prepare perfect homemade sambar powder, these are the measurements to prepare. By roasting all the ingredients, it won't spoil and stays long for an year. Now heat the pan, add 1 bowl of dried curry leaves. Dry roast for few seconds in the medium flame. It is roasted and turns crispy. Add into it. Now allow all the ingredients to cool and make it to dry for half an hour. I am preparing this sambar powder in order to store for an year. Once it is cooled and dried, I transfer into a bowl and blend it well. We can see it is blended into a fine powder. That's it. Sambar powder is ready. Mix it well. Mix it from the bottom. It is mixed well. Now allow it to cool completely. Once it is cooled, I transferred into a cover so that we can store it for an year. Seal it tightly and place it in the airtight container and store this for an year. It won't spoil. Finally, sambar powder is ready. Try at home. Do like, share and subscribe if you are not subscribed, and also share your opinion in the comment box. Thank you. Bye bye.